Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Texas. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down texas.gov and you need to enter it. So once inside this homepage, in the top right there's this search icon, select there. And over here what you need to do is you need to type down traffic ticket and after that select enter. And from here, you need to select this Texas driver license and ID cards online services eligibility. From here, scroll a bit down and select this check your eligibility status. So over here, scroll a bit down here, and what you need to do is you need to type down your driver license or your ID number and your date of birth, which is required, and type down your fourth digit of your social security number and select this login. And after that, you can enter your citation number inside it, follow the instruction, and review the amount due and complete the payment. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.